Howdy. Today I'll be making a short video on this ElitteDesk 800 G2 on how to test the power switch. This desktop was brought to me because it wasn't powering on, but some workshop said that the board and the power supply is bad. I've tested the power supply and it's working. So I would take you all on a short journey on how to test the power switch on this ElitteDesk. I took out the panel already, which you all would know how to take it out. It has that clip, which you would just lift. And you would lift this. Once it's up, you would get the connector for the power button. This is the connector here. You would take it out. Once it's out, you would get it out of the holders. Once it's out of the holders, you would put this back down. To take out the front panel, it has two clips. I thought it had three, but two clips you would just lift and pull aside. Lift and pull aside. You would lift that gently and take it out. This comes out. Then you would lift this again. The power once the power switch is on, it has two lights, 1, 2, and this is the power switch. You would look at the wire. You would look at the wire down here. Let me see if I could. Let me get that out of the way. This is the power switch. And if you notice, when you're taking it out, it has that clip at the top. You press down and you push it out. These at the bottom will just hook inside. Now the light is red and black. The other light is green and white. And the power switch is the 2 white, which it has 3 white wires. You would take your multi-purpose meter, put it on continuity. Once it's on continuity, you would take your probes and you would put it on the white, and then you press. I think you could hear the buzz and you could see the light, which means the power switch is good. To test your switch, you must, or if you're a handyman, you believe in doing certain things, you need a multi-purpose meter. It doesn't have to be one like what I have. It could be any cheap multi-purpose meter. And you would put the leads back in. Once you get it in, you would put the face in, and you clip on, and you put this back down. Now there is another way in testing the power supply, the switch or the board. You would look at the pins. It's the 2 white pin. You would watch this on the board and you would use a screwdriver to test it. This is it for this video. I hope it was educational and understanding. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. The board is what is bad. On this unit, the power supply is good, the power switch is good. So the board is bad. Until the next one, goodbye and thank you.